Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. Today I want to actually put on my Cycling Explorer cap and talk to you for a minute about exercise. I am an avid believer in smartwatches. I love my smartwatch. It's been it's incredible. It tracks everything I would ever want it to, especially when I'm going for walks or hikes or whatever. It gives me my heart rate. There's so many good things to this watch. But I noticed something that was very, very humbling to me. Now, I'm somebody that really loves to close my rings, and I have set it up at the default setting. So, 12 hours of stand time, 30 minutes of exercise minimum, every single day. And I have closed these rings through yesterday, because it's early today, of 541 straight days. Now, I thought that was absolutely amazing, but I decided that it was time to actually get out and become a cyclist again. So a couple weeks ago I went and got my bike set up and all tuned up to start the process of changing over to being a cyclist. And I live in the Pacific Northwest, which means if you're on the western half of Washington, which I am, you have a lot of hills. So I took my first hill about, 10 days ago, and I about died. I was not prepared for this. Now, I have averaged 5 miles of walking a day for over a year. I'm probably closer to 6. And just trying to get up these hills really surprised me. As I said, it's humbling. If you haven't thought about switching over to cycling or biking, I highly suggest you do it, because I'm getting a much better workout just going up a little hill than I am walking around a lake or a pond or whatever the case may be, even with ankle weights. I mean, eventually I'll put my ankle weights on going up these hills, but not this next 2, 3, 4 weeks as I get my body back in shape, because I've noticed that not only my legs bother me, but my shoulders do, my arms do, because I'm pulling a lot to get up these hills. And I'm not doing anything like I did when I first got here 10 years ago. So I plan on getting back into the spirit of that. And I just want to give everybody an update that if you're closing your rings every day continuously, it's time to do something different. This is Michael with Cycling Explorer today, signing off.